Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the essentials. Confirm your phone supports NFC and that the tag is compatible, usually NTAG 213/215/216. Open the NFC writing app and enable NFC in system settings. This lets your device read and write. Next, choose the payload you want: URL, Wi-Fi credentials, a contact, or custom text, because the format determines the fields you'll fill. Once done, place the tag on the phone's antenna area. The app will prompt you to write. Follow on-screen fields to begin the write operation. You now configure the tag content step by step. In the app, choose NDEF record type, URI for web links, text for notes, MIME for apps, and enter exact values, including HTTP// or HTTPS// for URLs so devices resolve correctly. Make sure character encoding matches your language, because mismatches can garble text. If supported, add multiple records in the order you want them read. Once satisfied, press write, hold the tag steady against the phone until the app confirms success. Then test. You finish by verifying and securing the tag. First, read it on another device to confirm the payload behaves as intended. This checks cross-device compatibility. If you want permanence, set a password or lock the tag. Make sure you understand permanence because read-only is irreversible. If writing fails, restart the app, regrant NFC permissions, try a different tag type, and ensure the phone's antenna aligns with the tag. Small shifts break communication. If problems persist, try a different writing app or a firmware update on your phone.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.